Hello, welcome to Smashing Wares YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you one of our collections, the vintage pocket watch USS Constitution. So the brand for this pocket watch is REEVES. So this is an anti-magnetic watch here. So you look at the details. It's carefully handcrafted here. So you can see there are no rusting. All in pristine vintage collection. And how to know if your pocket watch has a value. So one thing you have to check is the back part of your watch. So always check if the watch you have has serial number. And with this, the parts of this REEVES watch are made of Swiss. And it has serial number, which is very difficult to read since the fonts are small. And I have to lock this one. And this is not run by a battery. This is a hand winding. What you have to do is pull this up and then set the time, and it will run for at least 3 days. So it doesn't need any battery at all. Okay. This is 1960s REEVES pocket watch.